Hey guys, it's Gina and I'm excited to show you this is the Bush Home Key West 48-inch writing desk, and I just finished putting it together. This is in the color Reclaimed Pine, and there are several different options that you can choose from. So I grabbed this one specifically because I wanted a place to do my review videos, kind of like a dedicated spot. If you just even need some type of simple table, this is an amazing find to use around your house. What I really like is that it gives you a nice wide surface area and it doesn't take up too much space in your home. It is about 48 inches wide and the depth is about 24 inches. This was a really good find. It took me somewhere between 45 minutes to an hour to put together. I am older, I'm a little slower. I highly recommend you follow the directions when you're putting it together. And I will tell you it's nice because they do give step-by-step directions and everything is done in pictures. I absolutely love this writing desk. I'm excited to use it and I think it is another really great find.